Hi friends, welcome to our live stream channel. This is Ariel, sales manager from Qingdao TNT Homewares, and I'm so glad to meet you here again at the online cotton fair this year. As we know, we have been a very difficult time these 2 years, not only for our business but also to our lives. But I believe we will cross over. And so first, please allow me to thank you all for your patience, understanding, and support during these difficult times. And we will do our best to provide professional and excellent business support to all of our customers. Thank you. Okay, let's start our today's show. Today I brought a collection of Willow products here for you, including Willow hampers, Willow basket, and Willow storage box. Okay, let's go through one by one. This set of 3 no handles. This side is painted with white. We can also provide other colors such as honey, brown, or gray, as you like. The large one, and check the details, the pom-poms, the liner removable, and the professional weaving. The large one is good for store magazines or toys. It fits your bedroom or living room, even in your car. And the medium one is also good space for food or some tiny items. Let's check the size. The large one, 38, 28, and the height, 18. The medium one, 34, 24, and 16. And for the small size, it measures 28, 19, and the height 14.